incredible tools for web developers. The following are the top 5 tools to help you do your job faster. 1. Small Dev Tools. Small Dev Tools have a list of various tools that are used while developing and testing programs specifically. They have 28 tools on their website. 2. CodeMyUI. CodeMyUI is a snippet website for web development. You have a live preview in the form of GIFs and videos. 3. Sauceling CSS with superpower. Sass is the most mature, stable, and powerful professional-grade CSS extension language in the world. 4. StackEdit. StackEdit is a rich markdown editor. It has a toolbar to add markdown with the clip. You work with side-by-side code and preview frames to know the output in real time. 5. Website Speed Test. Website Speed Test is a tool by KeyCDN. It can run the test from 10 different locations. It will provide insights related to the loading speed of your website. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.